so far. But sorry I haven't posted in a while. It's because I lost access to this. It's because I lost access to this channel on my iPad. I would be posting, but I can't. So yeah. I might post a video if I kill one. If not, I'm gonna be here for like 5 days. 3 days. If I don't post a video in 3 days, then I didn't